Hey everyone, I'm Kevin with JcrOffroad. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick installation of these Ford Ranger door MOLLE panels. So to get things started, you're just going to grab the MOLLE panel, obviously open up your door here. It's going to install here in this larger flat portion of the door. And you just kind of got to visually line this up with the lines here on the panel. Now to mark the hole locations, I'm just going to be starting with this sharp prick point punch. I'm going to kind of center it in each of these holes and make a nice mark here. Do this at all 4 of the smaller mounting holes around the panel. Then you can pull this out of the way for just a minute. So the way we're actually securing the MOLLE panel to the door is going to be with these small coarse thread screws. So they really don't need a whole lot as far as a starter pilot hole to get started and thread in. We've actually had pretty good success with a sharp enough point punch. Just poking in, applying some pressure, and that right there was enough to actually go through the plastic and give me a nice pilot hole. You can also use a small like 16th inch drill bit. In this case, you just got to be very careful because obviously behind some of this door panel, you're going to have wiring, window and door controls, things like that. So you really just want to be cautious, do just enough to get a nice little pilot hole. And that right there was enough that I felt that go all the way through and puncture the plastic, and that's enough to get these screws started. So once you have all 4 pilot holes drilled, you can grab one of your coarse thread screws along with one of the black spacers in your bolt pack, line this up with one of your pilot holes and begin threading it in. And now with that hanging, you can just do the same thing at the other 3 locations. So then after you have all 4 started, just take your screwdriver and gently tighten those down. Use a little bit of caution. You're obviously just threading into plastic here, so you don't want to use an impact driver or get too crazy when you're tightening these up. So that's all there is to getting these installed. If you guys have any questions about this install or any other JcrOffroad product, feel free to reach out to us. You can give us a call at 269-353-1184 or send us an email at info@jcroffroad.com.